Okay, guys, I'm just on doing something for the guys in the squad at the moment. And if you bear with me, I'll flick it over and you can see what it is I'm up to. So what I'm going to be doing right now is just putting into the group this particular sheet. Now, I've already done a breakdown and a video of what I'm about to discuss. But let me just drop this in just so that they can see what's going on. And then I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. All right. So what we're looking at here is pound JPY. It's going to be a sell criteria based on the higher time frames. It is risky, so therefore it's going to be a 10 pip trade. It's telling me not to trade this as a standard trade. So what I'm going to have to do is just go with the bigger picture, which is here. Okay. So we'll drop that down. So that's what this is. This is a Kylie setup. Let me just pull this down so we can have a look. Kylie just means it's Fibonacci. So there's the same sheet that's gone in. One of the reasons why I've done it is because Phil has asked for it here. Any thoughts on this? So I'm a bit of a glutton for punishment. So what I've done is I've gone in and I've broke it down and explained the way that I would trade it. Okay. So that's what we're going to do now. Now, this is based on an hourly. We've got a couple of extra levels that we can put in. Well, I'm going to put one extra level in rather, which is here. Because that's roughly about as far as I think it's going to go. When it's in the wilderness. When it's in the wilderness, it just means it's caught between two lines, and I don't think it's going to go much past that black one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell every single one of these levels as the price goes into it, with a view to pull itself back down on it. So we're going to drop it into 5 minutes, or let's have a look at the 15 first. Well, it's broke through the golden eye, it's pushing up quite steadily. Yeah, if I can get it higher, that will be even better. But we'll start the process here, and we're going to follow 15-minute candles up. But the chances are it's probably going to tag in and around here somewhere. One of the things is you don't actually know. So, yeah. So we'll do it with a pending order, and we're going to sell this bad boy. So we're going to sell it. Done quite well out of this today. And I'm only doing this for the guys in the squad. Just so that I can kind of keep half an eye on what I'm doing. Just move that down to about there. Place the order in. Okay. So in order to get my pips, I don't have to go that far. So let me just run this down. Now, when you've got a strong directional drive, the chances are it'll pull against it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's about where I want to start this process. In and around there, and then we're going to pull this down onto about 10 pips, because I'm not going to go Murray mad with it. That'll do. Now it's a waiting game, and that's the beauty of trading. If you can't wait, you're knackered. Right? So this is where pending orders are wonderful. So I'll just drop that back to 15 minutes. I'm looking to trade in and around this level, get it to slam, get my 10 pips. I'm happy. I'll do it again up here. I can do it again here and again here for it to pull back down on itself. But in the meantime, let's just play this out. Okay, guys, there you go. That's it done. It's quite a simple trade. It's pulling against itself on a 15-minute. That was a good opportunity to sell, and then you sell with the dominant direction. Job's done. So you can actually use a Kylie in reverse. Just because you can enter at a 23 to buy into a 50, there's no reason why you can't enter at a 23 to sell back to 0 or a pip target, and that's what we've just been doing. So that was for you, Phil. Little salute to you. Job done. Catch us all soon.